Okay, so after a whole bunch of years around the sun, we learned a bunch of things about our vehicles, some of which nobody gets to hear about. So I wanted to talk to you about some other things you could do to your trucks and cars, because they all have the same or similar issues. So door hinges that are really recessed and they get noisy. So you want to lubricate them. They came lubricated with white lithium grease. It's yellow, it's nasty, doesn't look so good. And the door hinges get dirty over time. So get that off and use Vaseline. Works better. As I go through the door, you will see that the door hinges, they're big open cavities, and there's a couple things you could do. The company, the Ford manufacturers, or Chevy or Dodge, they spray this with white lithium grease, and it's off-white, yucky, and you could see it. Wipe that stuff off. I wipe it off, clean it up with Armor All, and then I put Vaseline. No issues, doesn't stain your clothes. That's what it looks like prior to it. And then you could have this and have the same silencing method. Really great, it works.